Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make queso fresco using only 2 ingredients. So if you're ready, let's get started. We're going to begin by pouring 1 gallon of whole milk into our pot. Set it over medium heat and bring it to a slight simmer. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom of your pot. After 15 minutes, our milk should be hot enough. You're going to see the bubbles forming on the walls of our pot. We're going to continue stirring. And here we're going to be adding half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, or you can use lime juice. Just make sure that you're stirring while pouring. And this is just going to separate the milk into curds and whey. You're not going to be able to taste it. Okay, as you can see, it's now happening. So we're just going to turn it off. Set it to the side and allow this to come to room temperature. Once our milk has come to a room temperature, we're going to line a colander with a piece of cheesecloth. And now we're just going to strain it. Now press it down with a spoon or your spatula, just to remove as much whey as possible. Now I like to add a little salt to my cheese, so this is where I'm going to add it. And just mix it. And you can taste it here and see if it's good for you. But for me, this is perfect. Now we're just going to continue squeezing all of the whey from our curd. Alrighty, and just like that, we have a queso fresco. Now you can always reserve your whey, use it for your baking, your cooking, or use it as to make smoothies. But this is actually very good protein, so just reserve it. And now for the queso fresco, I like to place it in a little dish or in a little cheese mold so we can shape it. And so I have it like that. I place my little plate, flip it over. And just like that, look at that. We can get ready to serve or just refrigerate it until it's time to use it. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious. It's queso fresco. You can enjoy it with all of your favorite recipes, just enjoy it like that with a tostada. But let me tell you that once you allow it to, or once you refrigerate for a few minutes, this is what it looks like. It's set. And just look at that. It's perfect. Perfect. So delicious. You can enjoy it, like I said, with all your favorite recipes or just in a taco. But I am so ready. Nothing beats homemade, and this queso fresco is no exception. Just going to have un taco de queso, just like that. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So fresh, it's so delicious. It's so creamy. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious queso fresco. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.